How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to do Kegel exercises for men. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys a couple exercises that you can do before we begin, though, to find your Kegel muscles, because people ask me all the time, how do you find your Kegel muscles? How do you find your pelvic floor muscles? They're the same thing. To find your Kegel muscles, the easiest way to do this is to stop peeing midstream. The muscles that contract when you stop peeing are the Kegel muscles, you guys. When performing the Kegel exercises, it's also important that your butt, thighs, and abdomen are all relaxed as much as you can. The best way we do this is by doing the exercises on the floor. Even though we will be training our glutes, our abs, our different exercises, by having us laying on the floor, it's more relaxed as opposed to standing up. The exercises that you do standing up are more intermediate because it's a lot harder to contract the muscles when you are standing up. It's a little bit easier when you're on the floor. Again, your abs will still be working, but to a lesser degree when you are laying on the floor. So you can perform Kegel exercises, again, standing up, but this is going to be much harder. I recommend doing them for beginners on the floor. So I'm going to show you guys 2 exercises you can do on the floor. Also, when you're stopping peeing midstream, I don't recommend training like that. Don't stop your pee midstream 2, 3, 4 times a day. Don't do that. Do it once or twice. You understand what the muscles are, and then you do these exercises to train those muscles. Don't stop your pee midstream. This can hurt your bladder if you do it regularly. Again, just do it once or twice. Feel the muscles being worked, and then come and do these exercises. That way you train your exercise. That way you train your Kegels properly. So the first exercise that we're going to do, we're going to lay on the ground. Now what we're going to do is we're going to raise our legs. So this, I like to call this a side leg lift. So we're going to go on the side, and we're going to raise our leg like so. So this is a side leg lift, you guys. And that's all we're going to do. Just raise our leg up and down. Very simple. You're going to turn around. You're going to do the opposite leg as well. You're going to try to do the exact same repetitions for each leg. And again, when you're doing each repetition, try to feel that Kegel muscle being worked as you do this, you guys. The second exercise that we're going to do is going to be a bridge exercise. So do this exercise, lay on the floor. Now what you want to do is you're going to raise your hips off the floor. So again, back on the floor. We're going to raise our hips like so. Then we're going to come back down. You're going to raise your hips. As simple as that. Your shoulders remain flat on the floor. Your legs remain flat. All we're doing is we're lifting our hips like so. Very simple, very easy, very effective to do. Try to do as many repetitions as you can. It's really as simple as that, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.